guys, I am Sai Parvaz, and today I am going to talk about types of networks. There are, and my roll number is 209550409. Today's topics are what is network and what is different types of networks and comparison between three different types of networks. And the networks, what is a network? A network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communications and devices and transmissions and media. The network can be classified by geographical area as they cover. There are three types of networks. One is local area network. Next one is metropolitan area network. Next one is wide area network. These are the three types of networks. And first one is the local area network. The network is limited in geographical area such as home, offices and buildings. The LAN covers a small region of space, typically a single building, schools or at home. A LAN can pass data to one and as well as can share resources. Once PCs are physically connected, software designed specifically for the LAN allows the exchange between program and data files among users connected to the network. The network software allows any user to access shared data storage and output devices, printers to network. Any group of computers and other devices dispersed over a relatively limited area, say within a building, connected by a communication link that enables each device to interact with any other device on the network is called LAN. The advantages of LAN are: the LAN allows sharing of expensive resources such as laser printers and high-speed mass storage devices among a small number of users. The LAN allows a high-speed exchange of essential information between key people in an organization. If proper managed, this will provide greater efficiency and productivity. Through the LAN, one can store all critical data at central locations, and many users can then access and work on this data. Since a data can be stored centrally, you can take all the backup of all important files daily on tabs and hard disk devices. And the disadvantages of LAN networks are: it requires more amount of memory space in each of the computers used in the network. About 20% of the computer memory will be needed to manage the network interface. This reduces the memory space available for the users' programs. The LAN adds another level of complexity to the computer operation. Users may have difficulty in learning the network commands. Some control on the part of the user is lost. For example, suppose you have shared a printer with other users, you can face a situation where the entire network suddenly locks up because one of the users has made a mistake. The disadvantage of LAN, another disadvantage is that it has security problems. Some types of security systems must be implemented for protecting data. Any user can play foul and destroy the entire central system. And the examples of LAN are: there are two or more computers connected in a building. The types of networks are metropolitan, and the next type of network is metropolitan area network. The MAN is a data network intended to serve an area approximately that is a large city. Such networks are being implemented by techniques like running fiber optic cables or subway tunnels and through subway tunnels and satellites. The popular example of MAN is the Switched Megabit Data Service or ISP. The ISP here takes the internet and connects it through the MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. The examples of MAN are SDBS or Switched Multi-Byte Data Service, is a high-speed packet switching datagram-based WAN networking technology used for the communications over public data networks. It can support up to 1.5 megabits per second. And the next type of network is the wide area network, or the network that covers a large geographical area using many types of media. The internet is world's largest WAN and can be collections of WAN and WANs and LANs and MANs and etc. There are two or more different larger geographical areas for the instant of a country or beyond the border. The dedicated transoceanic cables and satellite uplinks are the type of networks. Here we can see this is the example, and the comparison between the networks are there are three types of networks. We can see that LAN has low cost, MAN has high cost, WAN has higher cost, and network size smaller, larger, and largest. The speed is the fastest, slower, and slowest. The transmission media type is the twisted pair or fiber optic cable or fiber optic or radio wave. And the number of computers are smallest, largest, and larger. Thank you.